This is the video guide about getting rid of the malicious pop-ups by the site beachballjump.com. It's a dangerous website. It attacks Google Chrome and it may affect other browsers. It tries to make you download and install some unwanted browser extensions which may function as adware or as browser hijackers. If you see these pop-ups, do not tolerate them. Such pop-ups are fake and deceptive and you should not trust them. You need to leave this page right away and to stay away from downloading what these pop-ups promote. I recommend you to additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner. By going to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then start carefully researching the system with its help. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to detect and eliminate other threats which would possibly still remain stealthily on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.